This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the hotspot on your phone and making sure the SSID and password are visible. This lets Windows 7 discover the network. Next, you open the wireless icon on the taskbar and confirm the PC's Wi-Fi adapter is enabled. If not, enable it in Network and Sharing Center or Device Manager. Once done, mentally note encryption type, WPA2, and the password so you can enter it exactly. This prevents repeated failures due to typos or wrong. You then open Network and Sharing Center and choose Connect to a network to see available SSIDs. Select your phone's network, click Connect, and type the hotspot password exactly as shown on the phone. Make sure case and symbols match. After Windows authenticates, you'll be prompted to choose a network location. Choose home or work if you trust the connection for file/printer sharing, or public if you want stricter firewall rules. This choice controls discovery and sharing behavior on Windows 7. To finish, verify you have internet by opening a browser. If assignments fail, check IP settings and ensure obtain IP address, and DNS automatically is selected unless you intentionally use a static address. If connection shows limited or no internet, toggle the phone's hotspot off and on, or reboot both devices. This clears temporary routing conflicts. If problems persist, update the PC's Wi-Fi driver or run Windows 7 Network Troubleshooter to identify driver, adapter, or authentication issues, and then retry the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.